Reservation only. Mitsubishi 85.
This is so nice. It is a 28-foot pull behind, and I believe they said it was a 2016 model. It is in great condition. This is the entertainment center, and here is the sink. It has a little cover over it right now. It has a nice little stove and oven area with a microwave and a nice size refrigerator. Great little dining area for many people to sit at. That is the section that pops out once you're parked. And there are these bunk beds here built in, and they have little curtains that go across to block out the light, which is a really nice little feature. And a fully functioning bathroom with a shower. Overall, it's a really nice little RV. The queen size bed and master bedroom in the RV, and it's got a little bit of walking space all the way around the bed. It is a nice little RV.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Okay, I'm finally done. I got all of these canvases stretched and ready to go. I'm so glad that I'm finished. My hands are so tired. All loaded up. Now to drop them off. We've been having some stormy weather. It looks like it did some damage overnight. Alright, I'm on my way to Walmart and possibly Dollar Tree. Let's go. Look at all that pollen. You see that? That's all pollen. I just got home with all of the groceries and I haven't even put them away yet. And I am stopping to make myself a glass of orange juice because I have not had orange juice in so long and I can't wait to have some. Okay, I got a glass. And I've got to get some laundry done and put all of these groceries away. And look at these yummy, juicy, delicious strawberries I got. Look at this. Oh, so good. Yummy. Can't wait to eat some of those. And I also got some blueberries. And the squirrel and Torty and the chicken love these too. Feeling the fruit today because I got oranges and bananas too, and I don't usually buy this much fruit because of all the sugar in it, and I was trying to avoid anything that turns into sugar when you eat it, and fruit does. But I guess if my body was craving it because I couldn't resist it today. I also picked up this peppered beef jerky, and it's really good. It's just a little small pack. I found it at the Dollar Tree, but it's definitely something I'll buy again. It does have a little sugar in it, so it's not something I'll want to eat a lot of, but it's not a lot either. 5 carbs. And brown sugar, it says there. But it's still good for on the go if you need a snack and you want a little extra protein. There's also no added nitrates or nitrites, so I really like that. And there's no added MSG. Pretty good. I also picked up these gorgeous ferns. I believe they're Boston ferns. And I put one at each end, so there's one here. And then there's one down there. I love them. So glad I got them. It's a beautiful day. Everything's turning green again. It's looking like spring. But yeah, they look pretty. I like them. So I could have put it on the middle one, but I didn't want to move my bird feeder because I like watching the birds come to my bird feeder through the window when they come up. So I decided to just put it at the other end. But I like it. It looks nice. Maybe I'll get another one for that empty hook too. We'll see. I also got a new aloe plant because the last freeze that we had got my big huge aloe that I had growing here in this pot. It was so big. It was probably about 4 or 5 of them. It had multiplied. And man, I forgot to bring it in the night before when it froze. And yeah, it killed it. So here's my new one. Hopefully it is just as happy as my old one. Can you hear the cows? Heading to the gym and out to run some other errands. I have to go pay a bill and I have to pick up some chicken feed. I forgot to get that at the store the other day, so I'm gonna go and pick that up And probably throw a few other things in there too while I'm out and get it all done at once. I'm back from the feed store and I got this chicken feed. Added calcium, which is great. Quality nutrients for nutritious eggs and birds that thrive. Vitamin enhanced for a healthy immune system. I hope this is a good one. Here's a bowl of food for the chicken. It's got oats and blueberries, kale, the new pellets we got, and a little bit of the old pellets that we had left. She's going to love this. She loves the blueberries, watch. Come here. Goes for the blueberries first every single time. Here you go. I got a different feed this time because egg production has been lower for her lately, so I heard that a lot of people were having a problem and they thought maybe it was the feed. So I changed her feed to a local producer and hopefully I will start getting more than just one egg a day. Although I am not complaining, at least I'm getting one. Although it has been, you know, it is just coming into spring now, and they usually do slow down in the winter time, so hopefully that's all it is and it's not the feed, but I went ahead and tried it just to see if it's any better, if I get any better production out of her. We'll see. But isn't that such a pretty egg? Pretty egg with freckles. So I'm back from Walmart and shopping and running all of my errands, and I also picked up this. And I'm so excited. Woo! It's my first one. And I can't wait to use it. I hope that it works well. I got this Bissell a while back and it works pretty good. It was about $20, and the end piece comes off and this handle comes off, and you can use it as a just a little handheld vacuum, and it's nice to have around, but I really wanted a little assistance, and this little RoboVac will help me keep up with all of the animals, and then I can do spot cleaning and stuff with that. It works pretty good for a $20 vacuum. This was on sale and it was half the price that it usually is, so I went ahead and took advantage of that and I bought it and I can't wait to use it. So let's get it out of the box and see what it looks like. Let me move this so that you can see too. Okay, so this is how it looks inside the box. And it's got a little quick start guide here, so I'm going to look at that. And I guess the charger must be right here. This is the vacuum. Isn't that nice? Yeah, so here's the charger. I just gotta get it set up and plugged in so it can start charging. And it looks like there's something in here too. There's the cord for it. Okay, let's get this on the charger and get this quick start guide going. Let's see here. Okay, here's how it looks without the plastic on it. And it is a very shiny surface, mirror-like actually. And I do want to say that I do like WYZE. I have used their cameras and they were pretty good. So I'm hoping this vacuum is going to be just as good, and it did get a lot of good reviews. So here's how we get it started. Let's get the charger plugged in, and my bird just heard me talking, so he's going to start responding. But anyway, we'll get this plugged in and get it going and see how it works. Okay, so here is the charger and the cord to plug into it, and it has this little door at the bottom so that you can hide the cord, and then there's where you plug it in at right there, and then you just tuck it under this little thing right here and run it out this little groove, and it makes it nice and smooth so you can set it up right. That's a nice feature, and that's how it looks once you put it in there. And just put the little door back on. Alright, and I also have to install the edge brush, and that's this little thing. It has a little square mount, and it's going to go right here. Just push that on just like that. We're ready to go. I'm going to put it on the charger. And we are charging. The yellow blinking lights indicate that it is charging, and when they turn to the white solid lights, it means it's fully charged. And it says minimum charge time is 2 hours before first use, so I'm going to let it charge and then I get to play with it.
Okay, I have used the vacuum a couple of times now, and I really like the suction. It does pick up very well. It charges quickly. Within a couple of hours you can use it again. It has an app that you can set up so that you can map out your house and control it through the app to tell it where you want it to start vacuuming at, or if you only want it to vacuum in a certain room and things like that. I, however, cannot get that to work on my phone. I am not sure why. I'm going to have to contact customer service to figure out what's going on, but it does say that they do not run on 5G. So I don't remember changing to 5G, but maybe our provider automatically updated it to that. I'm not sure. But for some reason, I can't get it to connect to the vacuum. So that's my one issue that I'm having right now. And it's a quiet machine. It picks up really well. You can set it to just vacuum a room without the app. Just by hitting the power button, it will turn on and it'll vacuum whatever room that it's in. And so you can still use it without the app, which is nice. And I've used it a couple of times and it works great, and it's quiet. It's not that loud. So I really like that about it. And let's see what else. I forgot to show you where the container, the dustbin container, is at. And it also came with a little brush to clean it with, to clean your bristles and everything with. So I'm going to show you that real quick.
Okay, so looking at the unit, there's just a little lift up thing right here, and right underneath is the dustbin and the little brush that you can use to clean with. You can clean your dustbin out and your little rollers as well. So that's where it is, just hiding right underneath the lid.